Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? So let's start today's recipe guys. We are making yummy tropical salad today, and with that I'm going to share super easy yummy drink too, just to complement the weather and just to enjoy in our backyards, this kind of lunch or supper, whatever you want to call it, quick snack. So to begin with, I have taken one mango which is not too ripe. For salads you need somewhere in the middle, like not too ripe, not too raw, so that it has this sweetness and tanginess. So I have taken that. It's whole mango. I have taken half cup of pineapple chunks. You can adjust the amount according to your taste, no problem. Avocado, one whole avocado chopped in chunks. Then I have around half cup of cucumber chopped in chunks. Then I have this coleslaw cabbage, around half cup, 1 tablespoon of cilantro. You can also use parsley if you have parsley with you. I didn't have, so I just thought coriander or cilantro can complement the salad as well. Half cup of corn, again totally up to you. If you want more, you can increase the amount. And that's about it. And I'm gonna add some jalapeno peppers as well. You can either add fresh or pickled ones, totally up to you guys. And guys, to complement my salad and to give it a feel of main course, I thought I should add some protein in it, and I have some chicken for that. My chicken here is around 1 cup. It cut in pieces, small pieces, so that it cooks really quickly. So very simple seasoning. I'm adding salt, of course, always to taste. Red crushed chili to taste again. Very simple seasoning guys. I'm gonna make the dressing with the same seasoning. Black pepper, garlic paste, and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Just to make it super delicious, this guy does wonders. This is sumac. You should try it. I always emphasize so much on sumac because I love this Mediterranean spice and it takes the flavors to next level. That is why whenever I use sumac in my recipes, I urge you all to use it too and have it in your pantry. You will love this spice when you try it. I'm going to cook my chicken. While my chicken is cooking, I will just complete the salad. 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the bowl. So chicken goes in guys, and it will take around 5 minutes maybe to cook. And we make the dressing guys. For the dressing, very simple, starting with garlic paste, around half teaspoon, black pepper to taste, crushed red chili to taste again, no measurements needed, salt to taste. I want a lot of tangy flavor in my salad, so I'm going to add lime juice of around 2 tablespoons. Lime juice I have added 2 tablespoons. I'm stirring it, and then I will add some olive oil, 2 tablespoons maybe. And then this is optional guys, I just wanted to add some honey too. Less than a teaspoon. I added less than a teaspoon. So my chicken is sizzling here. Let's keep an eye on this too. Again, repeating the dressing. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Salt, crushed red chili, 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Garlic paste, half teaspoon. And then I added some honey, which is optional. If you want, you can add. If you want, you can omit. Lemon juice is around 2 tablespoons, or you can add more as well if you want really limey, tangy flavor. Mix it very well. Like it has to be really mixed and emulsified and kind of frothy in texture. How about adding some sumac in this? Mixing all the salad ingredients in my dish. And guys, make sure when you are making the chicken, you really have to give it that really charcoaly feel, as if you have cooked it on charcoal or on a grill pan. It has to be like nice and brown. So yeah, mixing. Pineapple, mango, avocado, cabbage, carrots, coriander or cilantro you may call it. You can always go for some red onions, like a, just like the ingredients we add in salsa. Okay, so I'm adding here some jalapeno. If you are making it for kids and you don't want it to be spicy, you can always skip it. Or you can add sweet peppers, which are not spicy. They add color, but they are not spicy. The dressing is ready to be poured. Again, a good shake. And then when I will pour in the dressing, I will check again, all the flavors and like the seasoning. If I feel like there is a need of more salt or it needs more, spices, I will add more. So you always have that option. Mix. Yummy. Now my chicken is done, guys. It got really nice dark brown color, which I wanted. You have the option of either serving it on top of the salad or as a side, like on the side on a different platter, whatever you feel like. Okay, it's totally up to you guys. I'm gonna show how I will serve. Let me just taste it first. I'm just tasting it to check the seasoning if it needs anything more. This is delish, guys. This is so good. The only thing you need to do with this salad, it has to be really chilled. If it's not chilled, it's not gonna taste good. How about tasting the chicken too? Just to check the seasoning and everything. It's hot, but I'm just tasting. Hope my mouth doesn't burn as well. Perfecto. When the salad gets chilled and the chicken is room temperature, then I will pour it on top. So the salad, the chicken, both are ready, guys. I hope you can see. Okay, guys, let's take this noisy guy. Okay, guys, so mango colada is a refreshing drink. I have again taken one mango, which is not too ripe, like again the same kind of some sweetness, some tanginess is there in the mango. I have taken some pineapple chunks too. I just wanted to make a combo. You can always make it just with mangoes, but these were left, so I thought, why waste them? I just wanted to create a combo. Some ice, coconut milk, everything goes in my magic bullet, and magic will be done by this guy. So this guy goes in around I would say quarter cup for 4 tablespoons of pineapple, and it had some juice as well, so I'm pouring that too. And then I will add around quarter cup of coconut milk. You can, if you want to make it rich, you can add cream as well, but I want to go lighter today. That is why I'm not adding any cream. But you guys, if you are making it for like some fancy dinners or lunches, you can add cream too. Mango juice, around half cup. And now it's totally up to you if you want to add ice in the beginning or in the glass. So let's add some in the drink, and then I will add some on top of it. Okay, tightly close it, and then the noisy part. Okay, now we have a really smooth mix, and now let's serve it. This in this fancy, beautiful container. Thank you so much, Samra Khan, for such a beautiful container. Okay, I love this container, guys. This made this drink. Can you believe it? You can pour in some chunks on top too. Depends if you are serving the spoon as well. And then, of course, more ice. Some ice went in when I was blending the drink, and some on top. And let me just try it. Yum! So good. So I don't think it needs any sugar, but if you are somebody who likes sugary drinks, by all means you can throw in some sugar too. So I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Inshallah next time we will be here again on Tuesday, inshallah same time, and we will cook something together again. So have a great day guys. Thank you so much. Bye.